Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? I hope all of you are doing well. Okay. Before we start, I like to draw your attention to my first slide. As you can see, this is my title of presentation. One small reminder: please switch off your mobile phone. Could you please keep your question until the Q&A session? Okay. And if you watch on YouTube, the slide that we will show you available for download from the website address. Those of you on our email list should have already received a copy of the slide. If you haven't and would like to be placed on our list, please let us know. Okay, we'll kick off. Good morning, everybody, and thanks very much for coming. Before Let me introduce myself. My name is Wildan Ihza. You can call me Wildan. I am from Batan Step Polytechnic. Okay, I will start by summarizing. Firstly, I'm going to give you some background in the area. Okay, this is a background. Uh, from the activities carried out all day, most of it done outside the house. This is happened on every major city. Therefore, for working hours can be ascertained then there must be many empty houses of the occupants left. Moreover again, for the holiday season 8, Christmas or New Year, the empty house become an easy target for thieves, especially home with house security system adequate. As crime increase, crime or death that could happening in the environment. Example, death of a horse is rife in our country. The thieves are often still valuable home owner by breaking into force the door on the house and the time broke the lock on the door. Hmm, Okay, and next slide. With there is a door security system automatic door can be opened and opened monitoring from anywhere with use internet data as its network connection. With the system, the Internet of Things or IoT can monitor and control the door in real-time host. Besides, its security system there are today that can provide information directly to homeowner if a stranger is allegedly wanting to take action there. Even if there is a system security like that, of course, the price will be very expensive. By therefore, we offer a IoT-based home security system, Internet of Things, at a price which is much cheaper than the system that's current security. Okay, this is background. And next slide. This is a research purpose from my presentation. Automatic automatic door operating system capable of being controlled by the application Android that has been customized as an access control method. 2. Creating a lock system automatically who can find out the door is locked, are not locked, and locked as will open the door automatically. Okay, this is two research course from my thesis. Okay, next slide. This is I will to describe for you about basics theory. I will explain for you about basis theory. First, I have AS 8266. The ASP 8266 is a chip which is complete wherein include processor, memory, and also access to the GPU. This method cause ESP8266 can be directly replace Arduino and coupled with the ability to support Wi-Fi connection like okay, ESP8266. This is a chip. I have I I use these chips. Okay, and and two solenoid. Solenoid are one type coil made of wire length thick work, and it can be assumed the length larger than the diameter, where, whereas the solenoid is combination of K and solenoid, which is commonly used in electronization of a device as a automatic and other. The principle of solenoid was discovered by French physicist named André-Marie Ampère. In the engineering field, this term denotes on the device transducer that convert energy to linear motion. At the time of the coil electric field, the force electromagnetic will appear and pull the iron that is one part the middle of the coil linearly. Okay, next I will explain about reed switch. Reed switch is a sensor also function as an active switch or connected. When in the covered area there is a magnetic field, while magnet strong enough if struck the area around the switch. Then two pieces, the plates that are lying close together will be connected so it will deliver closed circuit for that circuit part. The switch is one type of frequency sensor to use in industrial machine as well as photosensor and proximity sensor. However, RED have a different way of working and unique and also has a shape quite small but prone to impact. In the form of a driving device cylinder, usually has to the fruit of the sensor, which serve to detect cylinder movement when up or down slash down. It's there on the outside bottom and top on the outside body cylinder. The basic principle of this sensor is very simple. That is, part the surface of the sensor is exposed to the field. Magnet then to thin contact plate which is inside the sensor will be attracted by the magnetic field. So, the contact will be connected magnetic field to drive the reed switch come from the existing piston inside actuating cylinder that is moving up and down. That's movement detected by the reed switch. You can see the picture. This is a reed switch. Okay, next. Internet of Things or IoT. According to the Meta 2015, Internet of Things are also known as stand for IoT. It's a concept, I mean, for expand the benefit or of connectivity internet that is connected continuously. With more development of internet infrastructure, then we head to the next round, with at which is not just a smartphone or only computer that can be connected within the internet, but a wide variety real object will be connected to internet. An example could be production machine, automobile equipment, electronic equipment that can wearable, and including any real object. Everything is connected to the local network and globally using sensor and or embedded actuator. Okay, next Blink. Blink. I use Blink for application. Blink is a new platform allow you to quickly build interface for controlling and monitoring project hardware from iOS and device Android. After downloading the application Blink, we can create dashboard project and set buttons, slider, chart, and other widgets onto the screen. Next, this is a specification and design tool. Okay, uh, for tool use ESP8266 as control center to find out outdoor condition. Tool can send initial condition door after the user log in on the Blink application on the smartphone Android. Is the door inside locked condition or not? Provision of switch button used to lock and open the door without having to log in to the application mobile Android when the user in the house. This tool will not lock if power goes out and the condition of the door will be locked. The tool will only be accessible smartphone that has been logged into Blink application, so that for the security of this tool will be maintained. If the door is open, then the sensor rate will work, so it will send notification to the smartphone. If it is foreseeable opened, then the applications appearance will sound an alarm. Okay, next, this is block diagram 2. As you can see the picture, this is blink, smartphone, blink connection to internet, internet connect to GPIO connect to solenoid, and the figure solenoid and red switch using the GPIO pin on the ESP 8266. The ESP 8266 will connect with access point. The device reconnect to the internet network. The token given by blink used to connect. ESP 8266 device with smartphone is already installed the blink application. Okay, next, this is a conclusion. Okay, where the tool can automatically open the door and close the door with use the blink application on smartphone. The tool can be opened and locked automatically manually use switch on in each door. The tool can check the state of the door and the latter solenoid state will be sent to the user as a notification via the application blink. Comment on notification failure often caused by network slowness internet. The state of the door will lock when no voltage the power outlet. Okay, we're very close to end now. Any question? Have any question from any presentation? Okay. If no, thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. Thank you.